Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So tonight's meal will be curried shrimp. I have a date night tonight and it was requested. So again guys, we can always ball on a budget. So we can stay at home, cook up some nice curried shrimp, light some candles on our dining table and just have a good time. So let's get started. So of course we're starting with our shrimp. Guys, I'm using raw shrimp. I know you have pre-cooked shrimp, but I'm using the raw shrimp. We're gonna throw it out, wash it with vinegar of course, and then get started. Epic fail. Okay, lovely people, we have washed the shrimp now, so now I'm gonna strip them. Again, it's raw shrimp, so we have to strip off the shell and basically do it to all the shrimps individually. And I'm just gonna get this done, and then we're gonna wash it again one more time without the shell. So we're gonna do this to all the shrimps, guys. Take off the tails of each one and the shell of each. Okay guys, so now that I have stripped all the shell off the shrimp, I'm gonna just wash it one more time with the vinegar. Don't give nobody running belly, people. Okay, so now that we have washed the shrimp with the vinegar again, we're moving on to our spices. Of course, good old Jamaican curry powder. We have onion powder, all-purpose, fish seasoning, garlic powder, Old Bay, ground black pepper. We're gonna add coconut milk in it too later down, and we have our ground provision: escallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, we have garlic, onion, thyme, pimento seed, and we're gonna add some corn today, guys. Again, guys, you know me and my ancestors par, and you know them thumb me in my back when it's time to stop sprinkling. So it all depends. Listen to me. It all depends on how much shrimp you're cooking as well, guys. Now I'm gonna add some onion powder, some Maggie all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder. Can't have enough garlic. Some fish seasoning, seafood, a toops of Old Bay because it's really salty, some black pepper. I'm also gonna cut up some of the Scotch bonnet pepper and put on it, guys. So I'm gonna add my pepper in it. And I blended my pimento seed. So I'm just gonna take some and add it as well. Ah! So we've added some of our ground provision. We're gonna cover it up, put it in the fridge, let it marinate for half an hour, 30 minutes, guys. Testing the oil to see if it's hot, guys. We don't need a lot. So now we are gonna burn some of the curry with pimento seed. Hot water. We don't need a lot. Shrimp Springs water. Okay guys, so we're gonna leave it for it to cook down. Shrimp normally springs water, so we don't need to throw a lot of water on it. We're gonna watch it, and if we need water, we're gonna add it periodically. Okay. Also guys, raw shrimp takes a longer I'm already know. No, that's no. Also guys, raw shrimp takes longer to cook than the pre-cooked shrimp. So we are going to leave it in and check on it every 10 minutes and see where we are at. I will give you an update. So this is 10 minutes later, guys. It's gonna need some water. So we're gonna add warm water from the kettle. Remember never to add cold water to your food while you're cooking.
Oh my goodness, Shadi, the food smells good, man. Mommy, want some of that?
Thank you.
But still, you can't start talking every day.
Shut up. Sure. Okay guys, so now that the shrimp is on medium cooking, we're cutting up the ground provisions to throw it on it to season it and give it the final cooking. So now we have bell peppers, onion. I'm gonna just cut the orange one, make it colorful as well as tasteful. And we're just gonna add our scallion. And we have our thyme. Now we're gonna open the coconut milk, guys. Add it in, cook it down for about 3 more minutes, and we are finished. Ensure that you shake it before. So this is the end product, guys. I hope you like what you're seeing. Thank you for watching. Bay and I are gonna have a nice date night right about now. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also comment below and let me know what you would like me to cook next. Thank you. Cells, stop troubling my brain cells. I need to remember. Also, you never forget again.
It's just weird.